go there, yeah, go there.
Hey, that was mine!
No?
$500 cigarettes.
Okay, sir, come up. You're up next. Come here. Okay, stop.
How's your day going, bro?
Okay, you're clear. Go on through. Okay, come here, sir. Okay, stop.
Thank you. Arrow! Beep, 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 beep.
Sir, do you have something on you?
No.
Can you do a circle real quick? Can you turn around, sir?
I forgot about that.
Hola, Bobby G. ¿Cómo te llamas? Welcome to the Thanos world. I like you.
Bro, Bubby, what are you doing?
Why not give a fuck? Let me show you right now before you give it up.
Bubby! What? Bobby! Alright, Jimmy, you said you want to go back to Billy Bob?
I want to get my dynamite checked out by Billy Bob. It's because, you know, it's kind of too blocky.
Jimmy, I think it's just shaped that way, but oh, whatever. Come on.
Alright.
Billy Bob! Check out his dynamite. It looks weird.
Let me see your dynamite. So what's wrong with it, though?
Yeah, exactly.
It's a bit too blocky.
Well, it's just shaped that way, Jimmy.
Nuh-uh, it's freaking dumb butt Monkey Touch shaped it this way. It's supposed to be circle, but he's not circling
What,
it
can you
correctly.
fix
See how
it?
it's like square? I'll try.
Jimmy? What was that?
Nothing.
Billy
No,
Bob.
I can't fix it, sadly. He
Well,
broke
Jimmy-
it too much. Okay, well, can you trade me? Oh, yeah, I'll trade you. Okay, then.
Bro, today's Christmas, man.
No, it's not, bro.
Yes, it is.
Oh my god!
Yeah, come here. Look, you got some presents from Santa Claus. Grab your
Yay.
presents and let's go open them. All right, come here. Let's open them.
Let's go with this one. Yay!
You gotta. Okay, Billy, which one do you want to open?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Cause it's all about toe. If we hurry, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't want that one.
You got an iPad, Billy. Don't eat this iPad, please. Okay, Billy, let's open up your last present, okay? Let's see what you got, man.
It's shaking. It's shaking.
Yeah, there's something in
I
there.
sound like metal.
All right, let's see.
Hey. A grenade!
Don't scam me, dude.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, drop.
Drop.
Hey.
Let's go.
Hey.
Yo, where are the things at, bro?
I think you just got scammed.
What? Bro, that's it. I can't take this anymore. Give me that.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm tired of you. You scammers. Scam after scam.
Wait, what are you gonna do with that?
How much money do I got, bro?
So much money. What?
I need something good. What's out here?
So rich.
Chimpanzee, bananini, drippy, droppy. Hotspot! Hotspot! Yes! Yes! Ah! No! My hotspot! My hotspot! No! Bro!
You can't do
There's a chimpanzee banana down there! There's a chimpanzee banana down there! Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come here.
Are you?
I got you. I got him. I got him. I saw your hot pot. I saw your hot spot. Ha! What are you gonna do about it, bud? All right. Let's see how much you make.
Wait a minute.
How much money do you make? Not good. Yo! Yo!
Oh my God!
I came across
No, fuck
tree. I
oh,
felt
okay.
the branches of it looking at me. Is
No,
this the
no.
place
Oh,
we used
yes,
to
sir.
love?
Yes, sir.
Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it some.
I'm just lying to him.
Whoa, this toy store is so cool. Whoa, look at all the robots. Wait, I wonder if...
Howdy.
Whoa, they talk.
Howdy.
One more time.
Howdy.
Oh, that's all they say. Well, that's kind of boring. Oh well.
Man, your bitch ass Bowen.
Did one of them just say something? No, that one's not turned on. That one's not turned on. What the?
Howdy.
Oh, okay, good.
Kill yourself.
Okay, good. Wait, what?
Kill yourself. Jump in a pit. I'm about to go boom, alright?
Wait, what does that mean?
No!
Fatality.
Wait, he already died? And I'm out.
Try to do this, right? So you go 6, 7.
6, 7.
Yeah! But what is 10 minus 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's no.
Yeah, there is no. Yo, Green, do you like Christmas? Do you like Christmas?
Yeah,
You do like Christmas? How old are you? How old are you? I need to tell Santa how old you are.
I am 4.
You're 4 years old? You're the youngest person ever.
1 minute without funk.
Get the fuck up.
An hour without funk. Mango, no, Mango, no, stop it. Stop, Mango, no, stop. 1 day without funk.
Wait, why aren't you tweaked out?
I couldn't resist. Mango,
No.
Mango, dude, stop.
Shut the fuck up!